Okay, so I've used these little Wee Sprout jars, and in them I've got 1 scoop of vanilla protein. I've got 1 scoop of collagen peptides. I've got 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal, and then a 1/4 cup of old-fashioned oats. So with these, I have a cooler, and I'm going to be doing 1/2 cup of blueberries and 1/2 cup of 2% milk to add to these, and these will be my breakfast for the week. Okay, so this is 3.5 cups of blueberries measured out. They're frozen blueberries. So going to do 1/2 cup a day with each of these little containers, and then 1/2 cup of milk. So this fits exactly 3.5 cups of milk of 2%. And then this is the 12 by 12 by 12 cooler that we're allowed to bring onto the cruise. So my plan is to put the frozen things in here. So the day that I'm leaving, which is in a couple days, put all the frozen stuff, cool things in here with ice. This is what one of the breakfasts looks like, and then I just shake it up after I put the lid on. And then this can be for like overnight oats, or what I've done is usually I heat up the blueberries in a microwave and then just add the rest in. So either way. For lunch, I've been doing 1 cheese stick, 1/2 of a Mint Perfect bar, and then 1 cup of these organic mixed veggies from Costco. So I've got 7 cups of the veggies in here, and then these I'll just break in half to eat half for each day for lunch. Okay, so here we've got a bunch of snacks. So usually I have 1 of these like beef stick things per day. I usually have either 1 full or 1/2 of a perfect bar, usually in like the afternoon. I might incorporate some roasted chestnuts. Basically, I try to stick around 1,460 calories, about the number of 1,450 calories. So, but I don't have like the same day every single day. So a lot of things I have the same day, like same each day. Like applesauce, I'll probably be able to do like 1 of these each day just because I love them so much. But like Brazil nuts, I might have like between 1 to 3 a day, or maybe not have any some days. I might have like peanut butter one day, or might have raw cashew butter one day. I love them so much. Sometimes I'll mix these together with a little bit of honey. So depending on what my carbs and everything are looking like for the day. I'm going to try to do I don't know if this is like 1/2 cup or 3/4 of a cup that will fit in here of Greek yogurt, but I'm going to try to fill each of these up with the Greek yogurt to try to have each day 1 of those. And then I might do like the peaches or bananas. I definitely love my Spindrifts. My favorite is right now probably the pineapple, so I need to get more of these so that way I can just be chilling by the pool or whatever and having those. For the sauerkraut, I do try to have fermented foods. So this I might have like 1/3 of a cup in a day, but I might not have it like each day. And then beets I might do like 1/3 of a cup or 1/2 a cup in a day. So that's what I'm going to try to plan out for these for snacks. And then for dinner, I'll be doing 1 cup of this organic broccoli that we got from Costco. So I'll have 7 cups in total. I'll be doing a 1/4 cup of this brown rice, and then 3/4 of a cup of chicken. This chicken in particular is covered in butternut squash soup, an organic one that has only a few ingredients in it. And I'll probably be cooking some extra chicken that will be plain, which I will put applesauce actually on top of it, because I actually realized that I actually like it like that, and it's a good way to incorporate your proteins and your fruits and have a nice sauce that keeps it moist. All right, so all of that came out of there. Keep these in here for now.
Jay, what are you eating?
All right, mixing up my last breakfast. Blueberries didn't quite make it till the end, but I've got my applesauce. fun.